Well, someone's got a Roald Dahl there. Now, which one's your favourite Roald Dahl?
Charlie.
Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
I'm Jeremy Strong. I write for children, and I'm here because it's World Book Day. It brings a lot of attention to bear on children's books and the importance of reading. So I think any way in which we can focus on reading and its importance and show what fun it can be in particular is it's an excellent way of getting children into reading.
It's so exciting when he finally gets the golden ticket, isn't it? Because you think he's used up all his money and he's not going to get the ticket. And all those greedy children being given bar after bar.
If you can't read or are unable to read or even just dislike reading, then you're putting yourself at a disadvantage. So trying to get children not just able to read but to enjoy reading in particular is very, very important, I think.
So what do we most enjoy about Book Week?
That you should choose your best book and then read it to little children.
Right. And do you think it encourages you to find new books as well?
Yeah.
The Prime Minister is a very important figure, and anything that he says to encourage children to read is going to go down well.